Hey guys, Snug as a Hug back again. We are still working on this silicone mermaid tail. So we're gonna add some more silicone today to the front side of the flipper. So hit subscribe so you know when we're doing more of these. Let's do this.
Hi, this is sure gonna be a great movie.
Okay, so here we go again. We're gonna probably use a single tube of silicone this time around. What I want to do is kind of fill this in so that it's more solid looking like the other side. Really happy with how the other side has turned out. So I'm hoping we can do the same thing on the top side. I just used a little bit more of the spray adhesive up on top here, just to solidify some of the fabric and attach it a little more to the plastic. So I don't want to go up too high because that's still wet, but I'm going to do this area here, fill in a bunch of stuff there. We are going to work mostly from about here upwards. So another tube of silicone. Here we go. So my cameraman today is Kaya.
Look at that.
Because now that's the cold soapy water. Just keeps it from sticking to my glove quite so much.
But still, it sticks quite a lot.
Mm-hmm.
That smells so bad.
It does. Okay, out.
Ah.
Hey guys, Snug as a Hug here. I am super not impressed. Yesterday, when I was putting on some more silicone here, I needed to switch the kind of silicone I was using. I've been using a GE silicone 2, and it's been brilliant. I couldn't find it, and I needed to carry on, so I picked up this. What a bad mistake that was. It's supposed to be low odor. I don't know if you could hear us sort of starting to choke yesterday when we were doing it. It's not low odor. It is awful. We've been almost 24 hours. It's not fully cured. It's disgusting. So I'm going to peel it off because I don't want it in there. So that's what I'm going to do now. If anybody's ever worked with silicone and fabric, you know that once it's on fabric, it doesn't come off. So the fact that I can just pick this and scrape it right off of there is really sad. I'm afraid if I leave any of this behind, it's just not going to let the stuff on top of it cure properly. There's no way I should be able to wipe this off. Yet you can see where I did the GE to.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. But the top layer is just... yuck. I'm just going to put this outside and let it cure as much as it can in the sunshine because this is just really revolting. Later.